Hallo.
Godverdomme!
Michiel wil erin. Hi guys, and welcome to a new week of Retrowheelz. We are already busy. We're taking pictures, we're mounting tires, we're prepping some wheels to be shipped off. These are finished last week and already sold, so that's a good one. More pictures are been taken, more wheels go into the stock, wheels have arrived. I love the package. Wait.
A few moments later.
I love getting these packages because the waiting times are so long. We got in some BBS Motorsport parts, we got in some Audi Finesse stuff, so it's promising to be another busy week. I'm closing down already because I need to pick up some wheels, and of course I'll take you guys on the trip, and after the pickup of the wheels we'll be going to the concert of ACDC, so let's go!
Okay, let's go.
I sadly enough did not choose a good day to do a road trip in Germany. The traffic sucks today. It's from one traffic jam into another, and now I'm again standing still in a traffic jam. Normally we would arrive at 6 at the ACDC concert. It starts at 7:30. Arrival time now is already 7:10, so I might skip the last address and just don't buy those wheels, so we will be in time for the concert, but we'll see. I have my fingers crossed, traffic will clear up and we can make some movement. Back in the car, the concert was amazing. The way back to the car, not really. It is raining like hell, all my clothes are soaking wet. Luckily I brought new one. The last set of wheels, which I didn't pick up because I was running a little bit late, the guy was okay that I came and picked up the wheels after the concert. So it's now almost midnight, but we're buying the last set of wheels, so let's go. We are back. The night was not as long as we hoped for. My voice is a little bit down, but we had a great night and we had a great score of wheels. 10 sets of wheels in the van. Now it's time to unload and I can show you guys what I've bought. And that's all the yesterday's scores unloaded. We have 6 sets of these beautiful original 19-inch Volkswagen GTI GTD wheels, and then of course we also bought some used wheels. These ones, another cool set of Golf R wheels, a set of Motex, set of 20-inch BMW wheels, and a set of Cupra wheels. Now I'm off to packing a lot of you guys' orders. The table is full. We have some air fresheners, some center caps, some hats, some center lock hex nuts, and many more. That's first, and then we can start on the wheels. Today we are making a lot of noise, as you might hear. My dad... Stop, Mark. My dad is hammering in some RC bolts back in place. Why? Because these bolts have a little bit of heat on them, and we will powder coat the barrels. So if we don't hammer the balls in, then we can't get the special teeth in again. And there he goes again. I'm going to polish some wheels today. It's a beautiful day, sun is shining. Finally time to polish some lips, so let's go and get this day started. And the lips we are starting today, as you can guess, again, another set of speed lines. Our C project started, Speedline project almost finished. Now it's time to get onto these babies. In the beginning of the week, finally we got our box of BBS Motorsports parts dropped off, so now it's time to build another beautiful set of E50s.
Stop it. Get some help.
And another crazy busy day unfolding here at Retrowheelz. Speed lines are done. I just need to find some time to mount these and then they can go off to a client in England. Now I'm polishing a set of huge 21 or 22 BC forged wheels. 2 are done. Need to mount those. 2 more to go. And then I hope to find some time to build a set of E50s. One of my favorite wheels. I'll always love the BBS Rennsports, and I maybe have a little BBS Rennsport update for the Rally Golf in some weeks. Now I'm gonna get my mask on and I'm going to start polishing again. I'm doing a job now that I don't really like, but that needs to be done. All the same, 17-inch BMW wheels from an electric car, 3 sets. We need to do 1 more set of tires. Then we are on to a set of T-Roc wheels. Then on to a set of Range Rover wheels. And my dad is already here mounting the BC Force. So I'm going to get the tires on so I can help my dad. So, speed lines are done. We just need to torque down the BC Forged. The E50s will be for next week, sadly enough. And we're getting some room here. Only the Suzukas are for tomorrow, but now it's time to jump in the van and do a little road trip because we're buying some more wheels. And over there, Niels is joining us today. We have arrived at a well-known place. You all know this floor now, and we need to pick up some wheels. I think around 10 sets, so let's hope we get them in the van. Hi Niels.
Hi.
And that's another successful road trip done. Rally is all ready. Outside, we need to watch that one in a minute because tomorrow we'll be going with the rally and with a little stand to Petrol Brothers meet in Wheelsbeek. First, Niels is coming over. We will put the beautiful BBS Rennsport wheels back on his Jetta, and then the Jetta will leave us forever. I feel sad. I feel a little bit happy for him because now the car is sold, he can start on a new project. But I still feel sad. I helped him build the car 7-8 years ago, so yeah, it's a little bit sad, but it is what it is. He wanted to sell the car to start a new project, so that's his choice. Now, first I'm going to mount some tires because some clients are coming over. The BC Fords are torqued down. Niels is prepping his Jetta to be picked up in a minute. Then we still need to mount some tires, but first our table is full. Only 2 sets this week, but it was a busy week. So first some cinematics and then some tires. Conen is gone, his Jetta is gone, and I have just captured all my tears in this bucket. Sad to have this car gone, but that's life, I guess. Hi guys. We just stopped for a little breakfast break and then we're on the way to Petrol Brothers meet in Wielsbeke. Breakfast has arrived. That was Petrol Brothers meet. It was amazing, it was nice. We didn't have really good weather. Now it's time to eat some fries and head back home. Oh, Michiel wil erin. And that's another week done. It's already Monday morning, rally is unloaded. The tent is set up to dry a little bit because of the bad weather yesterday. I'm cleaning up the shop, but I'm going to end the video right here. Thank you Petrol Brothers for the amazing week. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for liking, for subscribing, for everything. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!